Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study of LPM Public School, and today I'm going to discuss about Mother Teresa, and this is the chapter number 17, and chapter name is People Who Inspire Us. So, students, there are many peoples who inspire us a lot by their words, by their action, by their speeches. So in this way, Mother Teresa also inspire us a lot in many ways because Mother Teresa was a great legend. She was a great legend and she was a great lady and was a great personality. The student, she was a great legend and was a great personality also. She was a nun and also a missionary. She had worked for the poor and needy people in Kolkata. For that, she had also get the Nobel Prize. There are many such personality about whom you can know about like Florence Nightingale, Dr. Martin Luther King, Mahatma Gandhi. So there are many peoples whom you can inspired you a lot. So students, now let's start the topic, that is Mother Teresa. She is known for the savior of the poor. So look at this picture. This is the picture of Mother Teresa. Agnes Gunsa Bojaxu. Agnes Gunsa Bojaxu was born in Albina, Europe in 1910. So student, Agnes Gonza Bojaxhu was the name of Mother Teresa and she was born in Europe in Albina in 1910. She was born in 1910. At the age of 18, she decided to devote her life to God and the service of the poor, and she became a nun. So student, at the age of 18, she decided to serve the poor, to serve the needy persons, and become a nun and become a nurse. In 1931, she came to Kolkata and worked as a teacher in a school. So students, in 1931, she came to Kolkata and worked as a teacher in a schools. So look at the next paragraph, that is paragraph second. So first of all, we will read this paragraph. In 1947, she felt a deep desire to be the fire of love amongst the poor, the sick, and the dying, and the little children. She left the school and founded the Missionaries of Charity. For 14 years, she took care of the ailing people who had been abandoned by society. She provided shelter to the poor people living on the streets. So, students, in 1947, she has a soft corner for the poor, she, dying, and the little children. Be the fire of love amongst the poor, she, dying, and the little children. She left the school and founded the Missionaries of Charity. So, student, in 1947, she wanted to serve the needy peoples, and so she left the schools. So left the school and founded the Missionaries of Charity. For 14 years, she took care of the ailing people. So, student, for 40 years, she take care of the ailing people who had been abandoned by society, who had been abandoned by the society. She, prov- she provided shelter to the people living on the street. And students, she also provided the shelter to the poor people who living on the streets. So look at the next paragraph. That is paragraph number 3rd. In due course of time, she opened up leper colonies, places for people suffering from leprosy to live, orphanage, nursing homes, and mobile health clinic. Through her life, Mother Teresa showed us the path of love, compassion, and service to the needy and the destitute. So, student, after some time, she opened a leper colonies. Leper colonies means the places where the people live who were suffering from leprosies to live. That is orphanage means the people, the children mm, who have no parents, nursing homes, and mobile health clinic. So, student, leper colony means the places where the orphanage lives and where the nursing take care of the patient, and the mobile health clinic and a small health clinic. Through her life, Mother Teresa show us the path of love, compassion, and service to the needy and the destitute. So, students, through her life, and with with their own life, she saw the path of goodness to the society. She saw the path of love, compassion, service, and needy to the destitute. Look at the next paragraph. That is paragraph last. In 1979, she was honored by the Nobel Peace Prize in recognition of her effort to bring help to suffering humanity. She also won the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award given by the government of India. So, student, in 1979, she was honored by the Nobel Peace Prize for the recognition of her effort to bring help to suffering humanity. So, student, she got the Nobel Peace Prize for their efforts to help the poor, sick, dying, and little children. And after that, she also won the highest civilian award given by the government of India, that is Bharat Ratna. She also got the Bharat Ratna, which is the highest civilian award of India. So, students, she was a very great lady, and she always helped the poor, needy, and the sick peoples. So, students, I hope you all are understood about the Mother Teresa, the great lady and great personality, and there are certain things that you can learn from this great lady, and you have to read and learn about the Mother Teresa and take inspirations from the great lady. So, students, you have to read and learn about this great lady, that is Mother Teresa. So, this is your today's homework. So, that's all, and thank you.